So firstly, once you have downloaded Android Studio, so this is how it look, and you need to click on start a new Android Studio project. Once this will come, you need to click on empty activity and then click on next. Once you have clicked on next, then you need to name your project with any name you want. Like I want to name it right now, I'll name it try and first. Okay, I can keep it any name. I have named it really weird right now, try first, and you can then choose the place where you want to save it. You can choose the language you want to write this with. Choose Java for right now, and you can choose this according to your wish. Like if I rather in 21 is quite preferable, because in 21 you can see 85% of the devices, while if I'll go on Android 14 we 100% of the devices. I think 85 is quite good, and if you take the recent version it's less than 1% of the devices. So should take, I think I'm okay with Android 5, which is Lollipop. I'm going to click on finish, and it will take some time to load, and once this is over your base foundation is ready. So this is how it should look when it opens, and so you can start writing your first Android project. That is, you can start your first you can start the first app which you're going to make from here. So what you need to do is right now is write your code over here. So I'll just go through it very quickly. So this is known as main activity underscore main file, and this is the coding part. You have to code over here. Like if I'm going to make a button, so button, and name it yes. Okay, you can name it anything. Like I'll ethical. Fine, I named it ethical. You can name it anything if you want. And this is the XML file. Over here you need to put all the buttons and all the UI which is going to there in your app. And then you have to put, like, these are the variables. Like button is like int, integer and all. Button is just a variable, and so you can put buttons over here. Like I have made a button named as ethical. I can like name it right now. Okay, I can name it anything. And once you can see this file is loaded right now, so I'll minimize this. This is the button to minimize, and here is the UI. How to make a UI and how to connect it with this. Firstly, the ones with the same name are connected. Like activity main is connected to activity underscore main, and I'm going to connect a button over here, and I'll place the button over here, and so you can see that this button is now a part of the UI. But this button can actually fall anywhere. It is not linked anywhere, it's not fixed. So I need to fix this button. So firstly I'll go and I'll fix this button. So how to fix it is you need to select some part, like so you have to select this circle, and you need to like left key and connect it to any side of the wall. So right now we are only making a hello world, so I'll remove this. So I pressed delete button, so I'll remove this as well. So how to make a hello world is, say, take a text view, and I kept it here. Now you can see it's confined left right, but if it is not, just for by the way, then you need to click like this and connect it. Then I'm going to take the lower part of it, connect it, upper part of it, connect it, and this is ready. Now I'll click over here and search text. It is what text it is. So I'm making a hello world program, so it's hello world, and see hello world is over here. So this is the UI part which we'll see on our mobile phone, and this is the coding part of it. Like you need to code over here, like that you can actually reference this text view and do some changes in it and get started. So this is just the video of the hello world, and I'll run this and I'll show it to you how will it look. This is the very hello world program type. So this is how to get you started. So you can actually put a ID in this, like this is a hello world and its ID is text view. So you can name it text view OKKK. Yeah, you can write anything. Then you need to go to main activity and link it. And how are you going to link it? Is this is a text view because you wrote a text. So it's text view. It's not loading actually. Yeah, text. The text view, and you can name it anything you want. I'll name it T E text. I'll just name it anything. I'll just name it text for right now. And now you can actually index this text with something else. The text is equal to find view by id dot id dot text work, and okay. So I just see. So I know you didn't get anything of this, but I'll just explain it. See, this is the first program. It's ready. Hello world. So I'll quickly go through this. What you did over here is you connected this text with this file. So this is the UI and this is the coding part. So now when you write find view by ID, so what you do is you actually are able to connect this UI text with this programmable file. So now you can make changes over here, like you can write text dot set text, and just you can write, rather than hello world, I'm going to write you. Fine, and I'm going to run the program. So let it load and see, you see a you. So as you can see that we have connected this and the main code. So that's it guys. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and see you next time. And if you like this video and really want me to make more, because I'm actually trying this for the first time, comment down in the comment section.